channels. My name is Alisha. I'm from to American News. So talk about to American Institute students. So feedback. So let's start. Hello, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
Ma'am, what's your name?
My name is Preeti.
Ma'am, where are you from?
I am from Barabanki.
You are from Barabanki.
Yeah.
You live in local areas.
Yes, I am local.
You live in local areas.
Yes,
Ma'am, why you joined in American Institute?
I am join American Institute because I want to be a good speaker in English.
You want to be a good speaker, right, ma'am?
Yeah.
So are you married, ma'am?
Yes, I am married.
You're married. So look at her, lady. She is married, but she is want to learn an English, improve her communication skills. So age and marriage doesn't matter. So everybody is motivated to her, ma'am, Preeti ma'am. She is learn English. So why we not learn English and why we not speak English? So let's go to another person. So what's your name, sir?
Diwakar Sharma.
Diwakar Sharma, right, sir? Sir, where are you from?
I am from Barabanki
You from in Barabanki, right? So why you joined in American Institute?
because I want to learn English because the content of available in English very much. When I choose any book, this is in English. I want to learn everything, but in English. So I want to learn English and I want to trip in a foreign country. There is English is must necessary. That's why I am learning English.
Okay, you need other countries speaking English, right, sir? So what do you want to be?
I want to be a businessman in my ambition. This.
You want to a businessman, right, sir? So which type business you choose?
Pharmaceutical industries.
Farmers. Okay, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Nice feedback. So let's go to other person. So what's the feedback for her? Hello, ma'am.
Hello ma'am,
Ma'am, what's your name?
my name is Archana Srivastav.
Your name is Archana Srivastav,
Yes,
right, ma'am?
yes.
Ma'am, why you joined American Institute?
I joined American because my English so weak, so that's why I'm learning English in American Institute.
Okay, ma'am. Your communication skills and speaking English is not well, so
Yeah.
you joined in American Institute.
Yes.
Ma'am, how's it feedback in American Institute? Is good and not?
American Institute very good for my opinion.
Okay. So look at her, lady. She want to learn American Institute for speaking English. So she is very nice girl. So let's go to other person. Hello, sir.
हेलो मैम,
What's your name, sir?
I'm साफ़ायत अंसारी.
Safiyad Ansari, sir. Right, sir. Where are you from?
मैम बाराबंकी.
Are you from in Barabanki? Local areas?
यस
Local areas.
यस मैम.
Sir, why you want to be?
बिजनेस मैम.
You want to be a businessman, right, sir? So which type business?
मैम होलसेल.
Wholesale. Which type wholesale, sir?
मैम क्लॉथ्स.
Clothes. So why you joined American Institute?
Because I meet many brokers and he sell me our clothes and I join to her, but I am not able to speak English. That's why I am coming in this coaching.
American Institute to help speaking English is good or not?
Ma'am, good because my English is improved.
How many days joined in American Institute?
Ma'am, 2 months.
2 months. So you think about to English improve or not?
Ma'am, I think my English is improved.
Okay, your English is very improved. Thank you so much. You have give me a feedback for American Institute. So thank you everyone, and this is American Institute students. So thank you all of you. Please